Hey friends! Keep your vehicle engine running smoothly and efficiently with the absolute best car oil filters available online today. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car oil filters in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Fram Ultra synthetic engine oil filter designed for drivers who demand reliable protection and hassle-free installation. This option is a top-tier choice for modern engines. Its sure-grip non-slip surface makes changes incredibly easy, perfect for DIYers who want a secure fit without messy slips. Built with durable dual-layer pleated media, it provides over 99% filtration efficiency, expertly trapping dirt, exhaust particles, and other contaminants to keep things running cleaner. A premium silicone anti-drainback valve delivers superior startup protection, boasting up to 3 times the hot oil resistance of standard valves to ensure consistent lubrication when it is needed most. High-temperature resistance is also built in, thanks to an advanced high-nitrile gasket and a precision coil spring with a glass fiber-reinforced nylon poppet. Offering proven protection for up to 20,000 miles, it is ideal for high-mileage vehicles and long-distance drivers. Next up, our second product, the K&N Performance Car Oil Filter engineered to deliver exceptional flow rates. This premium canister ensures a consistent supply of lubrication to keep your motor running smoothly even under extreme conditions. Its heavily pleated synthetic blend filtration media effectively removes harmful contaminants, providing superior defense for critical internal components. Compatible with all synthetic, conventional, and blended motor oils, it offers fantastic versatility for a wide range of vehicles. Built for pure durability, the heavy-duty housing withstands intense pressure and extended service intervals, easily meeting the rigorous demands of modern driving. Laboratory tested for exceptional capacity and burst strength, it guarantees reliable performance under the toughest environments. Plus, installation and removal are fast and easy thanks to the signature 1-inch wrench-off nut welded directly to the top, making routine maintenance completely hassle-free while offering total peace of mind. Coming in at number 3, the Fram Titanium Synthetic Replacement Oil Filter. This highly efficient component is an excellent choice for anyone looking to maximize vehicle performance and lifespan. Specifically engineered to complement full synthetic oils, it helps newer vehicles perform at their absolute best while providing reliable, restorative defense for older models. The ultimate dual-layer synthetic media captures microscopic contaminants with ease, offering up to an impressive 20,000 miles of continuous defense. It features a premium silicone non-drain back valve, which guarantees superior startup protection by maintaining pressure and resisting intense heat up to 3 times more effectively than standard alternatives. Installation is brilliantly simple and mess-free thanks to an integrated non-slip textured surface for easy handling. Engineered for overall durability and efficiency, it heavily reduces internal wear and keeps everything running smoothly mile after mile. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Purolator Boss Premium Oil Filter engineered for maximum performance and long-lasting protection. This heavy-duty unit features Smart Fusion full synthetic media that keeps internals clean for up to 20,000 miles, capturing over 99% of dirt even under extreme conditions. The premium PoroSeal gasket, crafted from ethylene acrylic, provides a completely leak-proof seal that helps maintain optimal operation and extends the overall lifespan of your vehicle. Designed for superior flow, the double-helix metal center tube withstands incredibly high pressure and ensures proper circulation, making it perfect for towing, hauling, and off-roading adventures. A dedicated silicone anti-drainback valve strictly prevents dry starts by maintaining consistent lubrication, severely reducing wear during ignition. Built with a rugged steel casing, it withstands extreme pressures and protects against exterior damage. Compatible with a wide range of popular vehicle makes, it is a truly reliable and rugged choice. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Delco GM Original Equipment Oil Filter engineered to deliver factory-level performance and long-lasting protection. This replacement part is crafted specifically for Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, and Cadillac models. It expertly helps keep abrasive particles away from bearings and other critical hydraulic components, ensuring buttery smooth operation and heavily reduced friction wear. Built to rigorous quality standards and tested extensively, it meets the exacting specifications set by GM engineers for an absolutely perfect fit, function, and durability. Benefiting from continuous design updates, it incorporates the latest materials and filtration technologies to seamlessly maintain peak reliability on the road. Backed directly by General Motors, it provides unparalleled peace of mind for drivers seeking a high-quality, dependable factory replacement that strictly preserves performance, protects critical internal parts, and helps maintain the long-term value of your ride. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.